Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to connect your Homelink garage door opener to your home garage door. I tried to find a few videos and the ones I saw weren't complete. So yeah, this is a 2010 Nissan Pathfinder. So the first thing you want to do is hold the two outside Homelink buttons, so 1 and 3. Hold them down for at least 30 seconds to clear anything that may be on there. And then when you're done with that, hold the remote button and whatever one you decide, so probably number 1, hold both of the buttons down for at least 30 seconds until it goes from a fast blink to a slow blink. I've already done that, but that's what you do. And I tried that and it wouldn't work on mine. Nothing worked. So the next step would be to go to your garage door opener, and there's a learn button on most new garage doors. So mine's right here. So push that button down. Like I said, I've already done this, so push that down for just a second. The red light will start blinking. And then within 30 seconds, just come down and hit whatever button you want. So I did the first one, so you have to hit it 1 to 3 times. Mine worked on the third. So I just did it and now it works. So that's pretty much it. Easy enough. Thanks for watching.